So some people find duck or goose liver called foie gras kind of daunting. I find it exciting and delicious. If you love foie gras and if you always wanted to try to make it at home, I'm going to teach you how. If not, just watch me. It might be entertaining. All right, so I'm going to take a little paring knife. This is foie gras. In France, normally it's goose liver. Here in the States, it's duck liver. Sliced, beautifully cleaned. Go ahead and take a knife, and I like to score it. We chefs love to do that. It's very simple to do. Just take the knife in one direction into little slices, and then the other. Don't go through the foie gras too deep. All right, next I'm going to season it heavily with salt before I sear it. Let me go ahead and turn on the heat. I have a cast iron pan with me today, but you can pretty much cook it in anything. I have a little bit of my favorite orange marmalade, a little dry Spanish sherry, not sherry vinegar, dry Spanish sherry, the kind that you would sip. Not sweet though, by the way. Just some segmented pieces of oranges and mandarins, and then a hint of lemon in case you feel like it got a little cloyingly sweet. You can add a little bit of acid. Brioche to eat it with. So what we're going to do is place the foie gras score side down into the pan, and we will start hearing the sound of searing now. While it's upside down, I'm going to go ahead and take this moment to season the other side of the foie. All right. So pull it out of the pan. I'm going to lower this a little. This might cause a little bit of a flame. I'm going to carefully add a little bit of dry sherry. So be careful, this might light up, although sherry doesn't have much alcohol. Never mind. Oh, I love fire. Okay, so I'm going to add all that dry sherry to it. I'm going to add just a nice spoonful of orange marmalade. I'm going to add now the fresh orange to this, a little bit of that fresh orange juice. Now remember, I only seared the foie gras on one side, so now to heat it back up, I'll place it back in the pan with the seared side up. I'm going to go ahead and remove the foie gras from the pan, place it onto my dish. Gather some of this gorgeous sauce and orange segments and just spoon it right over the top of our incredibly rich foie gras dish, and then top it with some of this Maldon salt. Keep that sauce for later because it would be beautiful with your next duck breast or pretty much anything. And there you have it, seared foie gras. We are very luxurious today. Enjoy. Bon appétit!